Hello user, welcome to yet another tutorial of the Nurture CRM. So as soon as you log in, you can see your profile here and you land on the dashboard where you can see some important information related to the activity, task, your sources and how many recent conversions you have made. Now today in this tutorial, I am going to talk about the third menu of on the left, that is the nurture board. So this is the board where you can manage your leads and add branches, batches, etc., everything to them. So basically the lead journey. So we'll start from adding a lead to a course and then I'll walk you through how it can be moved from one stage to another. So let us begin. As you can see, when you land here, you see a add lead, and when you select any course, you can see many leads have been added to course. So how do these leads appear here? So let us learn that. So on the right, you see here a add lead CTA. So you click on it. You begin by adding the important information. So we are adding the name and the last name. I'm just adding a email address, then you add a phone number. All these are mandatory fields so that you can use it for contacting the lead or the student later. Now I will select a course. So I've selected this course and a branch. So these courses and branches and batches that will appear in the drop down here, these have already been created in the manage section if you have gone through our earlier tutorials. If not, please refer to the tutorials where we have explained how to create courses, batches and add a branch for a particular course of your institute. Now for this particular lead, there are many stages in the drop down. So either you can start from new inquiry or you can select any stage that you want to from here. So I'll start from new inquiry since I want to show you the lead journey. So now this is the course that I have selected for the student. This is the branch on which this course, and this is the batch. Now, the source field is where you can basically add what is the source of your lead, from where did you find this inquiry. So it can be anything out of this. You assign this lead to someone who will take care of this lead, who will take care of the student's journey, and you set a priority. For now, I've kept the priority as normal. You can also, if it is a hot lead, you can place it as urgent or high. Now you fill in the basic information and then you click on add lead, and here you get a notification of lead created. Now how will you find this lead on this nurture board? So you go to this left panel which shows the courses. Now if you had seen, I had added my lead this course which is Malini CSM. I click on this course, so this will show only the leads which are available for this particular course. Now see, this is the lead which I had created, test new, source added. This is the assignee and I had marked it as high priority. Now this is what we call a lead card. Now this lead can move through various stages here. You can drag and drop this lead across the stages, or there is another way of looking at this entire journey. So I'll show you how. Now, if you click on this card, you actually land on this screen, which we call it as the expanded lead card. So here you have all the basic information about your lead, which is this name, mail ID, phone number, and everything that we had added while creating the lead. You can also go ahead and edit here. The name editing can be done, the phone number can be changed, but email address for now is fixed. You cannot edit the email address field since it is very carefully needs to be done, because this will be used for all further communications with the student. So you can make any changes that you want to, and you can do this. Now you see here also you get a drop down to move the lead from one stage to another. Here you see the batch and branch. Now, if you want to edit the batch and branch, you can click from here and you can, if your course has multiple branches, then you can click another branch, and if that branch has any batches, it will appear here. For example, my Ludhiana branch for the course does not have any batches, so no batches here. However, Education Hub branch has a batch, so that is how it is appearing here. So these changes can be very easily made from the expanded lead card, and you can save the changes. Also, if you want to add, for example, this test new lead had initially inquired for the CSM course, but now he wants to be enrolled in some other course also. So just you can go here and you can add a course from here. For example, he wants to do music also. So you can select music, you can select a branch, and you can select a batch, and you can save it here. So now he is enrolled in the music course and he is enrolled in the CSM course. And the entire lead journey will be shown in this graph here. For example, you see now the state that the lead is in is new inquiry. For example, if you select contacted from here and you confirm, like the agent has contacted or one of your course counselors has contacted the lead and you change the stage, it will be changed from here. So this is how you can move the lead across stages from this expanded lead card. Also on the board, you can move the lead from one stage to another. For example, I can move test new from contacted to demo. And if you again open it and come and see here, here also the stage is changed to demo, and on the graph also you can see the stage changed to demo. Thank you. I will continue the information on the expanded lead card in our next tutorial.